Did you know there's a business model in the US right now that costs less than $1,500 to start and is already outperforming many crypto portfolios, dropshipping stores, and digital side hustles? It's called mobile car washing, and it's quietly turning everyday Americans into five-figure-a-month entrepreneurs, while others waste time hunting for the next big thing. This simple, service-based business is thriving in suburbs, tech campuses, office lots, and luxury neighborhoods. Why? Because convenience is king, and no one wants to waste 90 minutes at a traditional car wash when they can book a professional to come to them. Today, you're going to discover why this business is booming, how to start it with zero prior experience, and the one strategic step that separates those who profit from those who fail within the first month. If you're tired of empty promises and want a business model that works in the real world, stay with me, because what you're about to hear might change your life. The global mobile car wash and detailing industry is projected to reach $126 billion by 2025, growing at a compound rate of 8.4% through 2035. In the US alone, it's a $15 to $20 billion industry with over 200,000 service providers. But here's the real opportunity. Nearly 75% of traditional car washers still rely on fixed locations, which means mobile services are still underdeveloped and massively in demand. Americans are busier than ever and expect on-demand service in everything from food to transportation. Why not car care? Whether it's a working mom who doesn't have time to sit in a car wash lobby or a Tesla driver in Silicon Valley who values time over money, this market wants premium care at their doorstep. Add in the eco-friendly trend, and you have a triple-win business: low cost, high demand, and recurring clients. A mobile car wash offers more than convenience. It offers freedom. You choose your hours, set your prices, and operate with little to no overhead. You don't need a storefront, commercial rent, or even employees to get started. With less than $1,500 in basic equipment, pressure washer, vacuum, eco-friendly products, microfiber towels, and a reliable vehicle, you can deliver high-ticket services that rival the luxury detailing shops. Plus, you're not tied down. You can serve apartment complexes in the morning, office lots at lunch, and gated communities in the evening. Your schedule is your profit. And the best part, with the right presentation, people will pay between $50 to $150 per car, especially if you build packages that target cleanliness, aesthetics, and long-term vehicle value. People hate wasting time, they hate waiting in lines, and they hate bad service. Most car washes give average results with zero human connection. You change that. As a mobile car detailer, you solve problems before the client even knows they exist. You provide a clean, spotless car without interrupting their day. You show up with professional gear, deliver premium service, and build trust through every touchpoint. You eliminate hassle, increase convenience, and become part of their weekly or monthly routine. Remember, people don't pay for soap and water. They pay for simplicity, prestige, and peace of mind. When you present your service as a lifestyle improvement, you stop being a cleaner and start being a personal vehicle concierge. You don't need a fancy setup to look professional. You need precision, consistency, and presentation. Imagine pulling up in a clean white van, branded with a modern logo, equipped with well-organized supplies. You wear a clean uniform, greet the client by name, and walk them through the package. They booked. Your gear includes a pressure washer, wet-dry vacuum, a portable water tank if needed, eco-friendly chemicals, tire dressing, glass cleaner, and interior polish. Each towel and brush is color-coded and spotless. The result, you instantly separate yourself from amateurs. Your appearance becomes marketing, and every satisfied customer becomes a walking billboard when their car rolls away, sparkling in the sun. Don't race to the bottom with $25 washes. Create value tiers. Offer a basic wash exterior only, a premium wash exterior, interior, and a deluxe detail deep clean, wax, tire shine, and odor removal. Charge accordingly. $45, $75, $120 plus. Your goal isn't volume, it's margin, and people will pay more when your brand screams professionalism. Add options like monthly memberships, refer-a-friend discounts, or family fleet pricing to increase loyalty and word of mouth. Use Square or Stripe for easy digital payments. Send automated confirmations and reminders via text. Everything You should feel like a luxury spa for cars. When you structure your pricing this way, every client becomes a long-term asset, not a one-time wash. Your first clients live within 3 miles of you. Start local. Print 100 professional flyers and place them on luxury vehicles in apartment complexes, gyms, and upscale grocery stores. Knock on doors in gated communities. Offer a free wash to the HOA president. Join local Facebook groups and Nextdoor. Run $5 day geo-targeted Instagram ads with videos showing your process. Use before-after photos. Build a Google business profile and collect 10 reviews in your first month. Clients will judge you before they meet you, so your digital reputation must be flawless. Once you gain a few recurring clients, offer free upgrades if they refer others. Build routes around clusters of regulars to save time and gas. Treat every client like your next investor, because they are. Success in mobile car washing is 60%. Execution, 40% systems. Build daily schedules by zone. For example, Monday is downtown, Tuesday is north suburbs, etc. Use routing apps like Circuit or Road Warrior to optimize stops. Track time per wash and aim for consistency. If you're fully booked for 3 weeks straight, it's time to hire a second unit. Train them with a script and checklist. Keep supplies stocked. Track expenses with QuickBooks or Excel and reinvest profits into better equipment. Scaling means turning your personal hustle into a brand. Eventually, your van isn't just transportation, it's a moving billboard, a mobile ad for a premium service everyone wants. And that's when you begin to dominate. Like any business, mobile detailing has traps. Don't cut corners with insurance. Always protect against accidental damage. Check local regulations for water runoff and mobile business permits. Never overbook. Burnout destroys quality. Stay organized. Use a CRM or Google Sheets to track clients, packages, and preferences. Buy only what you need until profit justifies upgrades. Most importantly, never compromise service. Reputation is everything. One bad review can cost you dozens of potential clients. Keep it clean, keep it honest, and keep improving. The difference between $3,000 a month and $15,000 is rarely skill. It's execution and consistency. Now, take a deep breath and imagine this. 6 months from now, your calendar is booked out, your income is steady, and your brand is growing. You started with $1,000 and a dream. Now you're a local go-to, respected, profitable, and free. All that starts today. If this video sparked an idea, subscribe now, because we're building a step-by-step playbook for everyday people like you. Drop a comment saying I'm ready, and I'll send you a free checklist to launch your business. Like this video if you want the full equipment guide, and share it with someone who needs to break free financially. Because the opportunity isn't coming, it's already here. And the only thing missing, is your decision to start. Ready to take control of your future? Then don't just watch, act. Hit that subscribe button and join a community of doers. Leave a comment below if you're ready to turn sweat into freedom. Because your mobile car wash business isn't a dream, it's a decision. Let's make it happen.